Masterful SQL code review tools. The following are the top 4 SQL tools to help you do your job faster. 1. SQL Prompt. SQL Prompt is a tool that will enhance your productivity for SQL Server management. It can help you to write, format, analyze, and refactor SQL code more efficiently. 2. SQLite. SQLite is a static code analysis and refactoring tool for SQL Server. It helps developers improve their SQL code quality by detecting potential problems, such as design flaws, performance bottlenecks, and security vulnerabilities. 3. SonarLint. SonarLint is an open-source tool that helps in code analysis and has support for various programming languages that also includes SQL. 4. dbForge SQL Complete. dbForge SQL Complete is another tool to help you in writing better code. It is a commercial tool that offers code completion, code formatting, and code refactoring for SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, and other databases. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.